Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you how to cook the perfect lobster at home. It's easier than you think, and trust me, it's going to be delicious. First things first, pick a fresh lobster. If it's wiggling around, you're off to a good start. Now, fill a large pot with water, add a generous amount of salt, think ocean water salty, bring it to a rolling boil. Here's a pro tip. Put your lobster in the freezer for about 15 minutes before cooking. This numbs it and makes the process more humane. All right, time to cook. Carefully drop your lobster into the boiling water, cover the pot and let it cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. You'll know it's done when the shell turns bright red. While your lobster's cooking, let's make a simple but amazing garlic butter sauce. Melt half a cup of butter in a pan, add minced garlic and let it sizzle for a minute. Squeeze in some lemon juice and throw in a pinch of salt. Stir it all together and voila, your sauce is ready. Once the lobster is done, carefully remove it from the pot and let it cool for a couple of minutes. Use kitchen shears to cut open the shell and extract that sweet, succulent meat. Dip it into your garlic butter sauce and oh boy, you're in for a treat. There you have it, folks. Cooking lobster at home is not as intimidating as it seems. Give it a try and impress your friends and family with your culinary skills. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more mouth-watering recipes. Happy cooking!